Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Hello guys. Get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The Trump administration has revoked visas for more than 1,000 Chinese citizens, mainly students and researchers, deemed to be risks to national security owing to their alleged connections to Chinese military establishments and concern over industrial espionage. The White House latest policy action has been housed under Mr. Trump's May 29 announcement responding to China's curbs on democracy in Hong Kong. Among the reasons stated was the intention to block the entry of persons associated with slave labor, thought to be a reference to alleged rights violations of China's Uyghur Muslims. According to the Department of Homeland Security, the revocation is also targeting those who might engage in unjust business practices or attempt to steal coronavirus research and more broadly abuse their students' visa status to exploit the intellectual property of academia. This visa policy comes after measures that have tightened the screws on the US immigration system, including halting the issuance of green cards and skilled worker visas and challenging the issuance of student visas for college programs that have migrated entirely to online mode due to the pandemic. However, in the prior cases of visa issuance bans, the nationals of a single country were not targeted in the way that Chinese citizens have been under this week's visa revocation. Para. The deeper context of this spat is the cycle of hostile tit for tat exchanges between Washington and Beijing, principally tariff wars in the realm of trade, but extending to human rights and China's COVID 19 response. On the one hand, the Trump administration might have overreached in this broad brush policy, perhaps sweeping up innocent researchers with no more than nominal association with a government affiliated academic entity in China. However, it is more than likely, given the successive industrial espionage incidents that have been prosecuted by the US, that potential spies or saboteurs are facing removal proceedings too. Ultimately, countries such as China and Russia, which have arguably sought to interfere in the US domestic affairs, could be facing a blowback. However, given the pressure cooker conditions in US politics due to an imminent election, there is a strong likelihood of a heavy handed response to any further suspicions of foreign interference, especially because such a response would be of a considerable campaign value to the incumbent. If Mr. Trump remains in the Oval Office, he will doubtless persist with his friendly approach toward Moscow while seeking to keep Beijing on the back foot. the policies of his Democratic rival, Joe Biden, are expected to be the reverse to an extent. Although Chinese President Xi Jinping would be unwise to anticipate a quick thaw in frostily bilateral ties in that case too. Either way, China's economic aggression will continue to face pushback from a wounded and angry America.